I believe for friendship, any relationship, it's a two-way effort. So it's not just one person who does all the work and the other person does nothing. The other person is just observing or always waiting for the other one to initiate. But like I said, yes, it's a two-way effort. It's not just one who should do all the work and the other one does nothing. Try to have regular contact with your friends. Be there for them. You have to be a person they can count on. If they need help, they call you. And unless you can't help, you should make the effort to respond, to be there for them. But you also have to feel free to be yourself, to know that to have a safe place to share what you think, how you see them. You have to remember, you choose your friend, you don't choose your family, so you have to feel safe around your friends. If you cannot tell them how you feel, what you have in your heart, this is not a safe relationship. And maybe the best thing to do is just to move on and find other people with whom you can get along better.